Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to talk about functions and relations. Remember there are 4 types of relations. We have one-to-one, which means each input has exactly one output. So like 1 is going to 3 and 2 is going to 4. There's no overlap. We have one-to-many, where we might have one number that's going to many outputs. So one input is going to many outputs. So here 2 is going to 5 and to 6, while 4 is just going to 1 and 3 is going to 7. So we have one going to many things. We have many-to-one, where we have many inputs, like 1 and 2, both going to the same number. Okay, so 1 and 2 are both going to 3. Many-to-many is a mix of many-to-one and one-to-many, where we have a couple inputs going to the same output and one input going to multiple outputs. Okay, so here we have 1 and 2 both going to 4, and we have 2 going to both 4 and 5. Okay, so if you can hit a point here and be like, oh, there's many things on this side and many things on this side, then you definitely have a many-to-many situation. If you're looking at a many-to-one and you can see that you have one on this side with multiple lines going to it, it's a many-to-one. Okay, and those are the 4 types of relations. Now 2 of them are functions. Remember, if it ends on the word one, it's a function. So one-to-one and many-to-one are both what we consider functions. Okay, we can also tell a function by the vertical line test. So if we had a graph and I have a line like this, it passes the vertical line test no matter where we go, right? But if I have something like this, like some sort of swirl going on here, this would not be a function because it's hitting the line twice here, whereas on these it's only hitting the line once. Okay, so recall that vertical line test. We also have associations for data. So if it's a straight line and it's going upwards from left to right here, that's what we call positive linear. If it's going downwards in a straight line, that's negative linear. We have a curved line, that would be positive nonlinear. It's going up when we go left to right. And it's going down, it would be negative nonlinear if it's a curve. Okay, we talked about these recently in our stats section as well, so hopefully these are somewhat familiar to you now. So we have negative, positive, linear, nonlinear, and then in our stats we added whether it's strong or weak. It's strong if it's really close, and it's weak if it's really kind of far away from it. And if it's all over the place, there's no association between it. Okay. Also, sometimes they have a straight line going across like that. That would just be constant. Okay, it's not going positive, negative, or anything like that. It's just a constant. Okay. I hope this